and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to save a Microsoft Word file as a JPEG. So first, open your Word document, and the first option is to go to File, click on New, select Blank Document, then go to the Insert tab, click on Screenshot, and select Screen Clipping. Now select the part you want to save as a JPEG from your document. So let's select this this part, for example. Then right click on the picture and select Save as Picture. Select JPEG and the Save as type, and give your picture a name. Let's select file location first and name it sample. Then click on Save. Now let's refresh. Then double click on the picture to open it up. Now the second way, or the second option, is to go to your web browser and go to Convert.io. It's an online document converter. Then click on Choose Files to choose your document file from your computer, or you can just drag the file to the website and drop it there. Then select JPEG and click on Convert. Wait a few seconds. And once the conversion is complete, you can click on Download to download the document as a JPEG. Now you can extract the zip file. And here, as you can see, the pages as JPEG files. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.